Hello everyone, I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update, my wrap-up of what's going on right here in the local Milpitas market. We'll talk about three topics today. Interest rates, which are really improving. I can't wait to share that with you. We'll talk about the housing stats for the month of August here in Milpitas, so you can compare that to your property, see what your home is worth, and then we'll wrap it up with open house activity that I just had and coming soon listings that are coming on the market next week. So interest rates, 6.45%, which is a significant improvement over the last couple months. That's 30-year fixed conforming. 5.49 for a 15-year fixed conforming. Then a 30-year fixed jumbo is at 6.25%, and a 15-year fixed jumbo is at 5.875%. So we're seeing significant improvement in the interest rates. And then, of course, Feds are poised to maybe drop another 0.25% here very soon in a couple weeks. So we'll keep an eye on that significant landmark when that happens. So let me talk about August 2025 housing stats. We had 25 closed sales in the city of Milpitas. That's pretty good. It's a good, strong seller's market. The average median home price was at 1.80. We'd actually seen this tick up close to $2 million. So there has been somewhat of an adjustment. I'm not too worried about that. That kind of rises and falls within 100 to 200 grand range, depending upon what level of homes that are sold, maybe at a lower price. So I'm not too concerned about that. But what's nice is days on market is averaging at 14 days, and that is very true. When I list a home, the seller says, well, how long was it going to take to sell my property? And I say, well, we should be done in about 2 to 3 weeks. 14 days on the market is a good sign, and I'm seeing that with my sellers now. And they're actually, many sellers in Milpitas are getting 104% over list price. So there's still multiple offers coming in and driving the price upward just a little bit. So it all depends on where you price your property and what you do in terms of attracting the potential buyers into the home. So let me tell you what we did with 623 Prada Drive in Milpitas that was open this past weekend. Saturday and Sunday, I was there at the open house and met many buyers. The price point on this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home is priced at $1,998,888. That price point brought in 25 potential families or buyer groups of buyers on Saturday, and another 20 plus groups on Sunday. So we're looking at close to 50 came through the home. That's good, strong market. I've had quite a lot of activity from agents. I checked the report yesterday, and there's been 12 agents downloading reports, disclosures, like a termite and property report. So that's good news, and they're sharing that information maybe with their potential buyers. So offers are due this Wednesday on that home, and I'm hoping to have you come in and watch my video next week, and I'll share with you what we did for a price point on that particular property. So coming up soon in a couple weeks, September 20th and 21st, I have 2 properties that are coming soon that will be open houses. One is 1109 El Camino Higuera in Milpitas, price point $2,298,888. That is a large lot, 10,000 square feet corner lot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,150 square foot home, 3-car garage. We've prepped that. Oh, the seller has put in all new fresh landscaping in the front and back. So anxious to share the photos with you. If you log on to debbiegiordano.com next week, you can see the photos on that property. And then also open is 522 South 22nd Street in San Jose. That's our 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome I've been talking about for quite a few months. It's an N unit, has a 2-car garage. It's over 1,900 square feet. In fact, this home was a former model home, so it shows very well. But listen to this price. We've got it at $1,098,888. So great opportunity. We hope to have both of these homes open just one weekend and do offers in a few days after the closings of the open houses. So coming up, I've got 1830 Vegas Avenue in Milpitas. That's in Sunny Hills. That's a 3-bedroom. I have 253 Park Hill Drive in Milpitas. That's a 4-bedroom, large lot, about 7,100 square foot. Then 390 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,775 square feet. That's already priced at 1.7. And then a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1328 square foot home in the Manor, 479 Heath Street. And we're waiting to price on that one. So we got lots of stuff coming up real soon. So stay tuned and we'll share that with you on the video. So if you want to get your home ready, give me a call, 408-945-8988. It's not too late to get started and get prepped up to finalize this great end up to 2025. You can be moved out and into your new property before the end of the year. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.